What is a digraph? Say that word with me, digraph. A digraph is two letters that make one sound. The word digraph comes from the word di, which means two, and graph, which means a symbol or a shape, like a letter. So digraph, two letters, but one sound. Right now, we are learning about the most popular type of digraphs, which are called consonant digraphs, where two consonants stand side by side in a word and they go together to make one sound. So two consonants, one sound. Remember, a consonant is all the letters of the alphabet except for the vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So your consonants would be like B, C, H, W, J. A consonant digraph is just two consonants with one sound. Here are some examples of consonant digraphs that we are learning about. The digraphs over here on this first column are the stretchy digraphs. They have a stretchy sound. The first digraph is WH. Again, two consonants, the consonant W and the consonant H. And WH makes the sound W, which is the same sound that the W makes by itself. Make the sound with me. Ready? W. It is a stretchy sound, and if you put your hand gently on your throat, you can feel that your voice box is turned on. Let's try it one more time. Ready? W. Good. I like to use the word whistle to remind me of WH because whistle starts with the digraph WH. Whistle. WH, whistle, W. This digraph is special too because you're only ever going to see WH at the beginning of words. The next digraph can come at the beginning, middle, or the end of a word. This is another stretchy digraph, SH. SH makes the sound shh, which I like to call the quiet sound, like you're saying to someone, hush. I have a story about SH. SH, these two letters, they love to get together, and when they're together, you will always find them at the library, reading books where it's nice and quiet. So they're always going to say shh when they're together. Make the sound with me. Ready? Shh. Excellent. Shh is a voice off stretchy sound. Shh, like you hear in ship. SH, ship, shh. The next digraph you also will see at the beginning, the end, and sometimes even the middle if it's a longer word. Okay, this digraph is TH, and it's special for a different reason. TH actually has two sounds. It is a stretchy sound, but both of its stretchy sounds have sort of a different sound to it. One way to say the TH sound is with your voice on. Another way is with your voice off. So when you say it with your voice on, it sort of sounds like what I call a chainsaw sound. You put your tongue between your teeth and you turn your voice on like a chainsaw and you say, make the sound with me. Ready? Good. That's what the TH digraph sounds like with your voice turned on. Z. When you see TH at the beginning of sight words like the, this, that, then, there, they, it has that Z voice on sound. The other way to make the TH sound is with your voice off, but you're still placing your tongue between your teeth the same way as Z, except this time we're going to say it with our voice off. So the TH voice off sound is, this time you're only breathing out air. Sort of makes your face look like a goose if it's angry and it hisses at you. It says, go ahead and put your tongue between your teeth like an angry goose, or like you're making a mean face at someone. Ready? That's what TH sounds like with your voice off. Like in the word thin, thick, or at the end of the word with. Excellent. The next digraph, you don't see as much as you would see a WH, SH, or TH digraph. This digraph is PH. PH is fun because these two letters, these two consonants, P and H, when they get together, they like to play pranks and tricks on people. They're jokesters, they're pranksters. So when you see PH standing next to each other in a word, they are making prank phone calls. Their favorite all-time prank is when they call people, and when people answer their phone like, hello, hello, PH pretends like they're Mr. F, and they make the same sound as the letter F, like this. To make this stretchy digraph sound, you put your top teeth on your bottom lip. I call it a lip biter. Just like you're making the sound the sound for letter F. It is a stretchy voice off sound. Make it with me. Ready? And I like to use phone for PH because they like to make prank phone calls. So PH, phone. And the last of the stretchy digraphs you are going to learn about is the digraph NG. NG is special because it is only ever found at the end of words. I already talked to you about how WH is found only at the beginning of words in English. NG is only found at the end of words in our language. NG is a stretchy voice-on sound that you might hear at the end of a word like sing. NG makes the sound stretchy voice on. Try it with me. Ready? Excellent. This is a sound we hear at the end of words like rang, ring, sing, song. Excellent. So, those are your stretchy digraphs. Let's review the sounds. Ready? WH, woo. SH, shh. TH, voice on, and voice off. PH, NG. Excellent. Now we're ready to switch our brains. Let's move on to the opposite, which are the stopper digraphs. These digraphs have a stopper sound. They are not stretchy. We cannot continue these sounds or stretch them out for long. The first one is a stopper sound, and it's a voice off. And that's the sound for CH. CH makes the sound ch, like chug or chew. Or chin. CH, chin, ch. Your mouth does almost the same thing as it does for the SH, except CH is a stopper. I'm going to say it 3 times fast. Please help me. Ready? Ch, ch, ch. Excellent. One of my favorite snacks and foods start with the CH, and that's chocolate. And our last and final of the stopper digraphs is CK. Unlike CH, which CH can be found at the beginning, middle, or ending of words, the CK can only be found at the end of words, just like NG. So NG and CK are ending digraphs only, meaning you will only ever find them at the end of words. CK is pretty simple because by itself, the consonant C makes a sound K, and by itself, the consonant K makes a sound K. So when they go together and they're standing next to each other at the end of a word, they still just say K. Make the sound with me. K. I like to use the word kick for CK. I say CK, kick, K. Do it with me. Ready? CK, kick, K. And again, CK is a stopper digraph sound, and your voice is turned off. K. CH is also a voice off stopper digraph. Ch. So let's review. CH, chin, ch. CK, kick, k. Now I'm going to point to each of the digraphs and I want you to say the sound with me. Ready? Start at stretchy. Woo, sh. Voice on, z, and off. Let's go to stoppers. Ch, k. Very nice. Let's look at some examples of words that have the stretchy consonant digraphs. WH, w, SH, sh, TH, or th, and PH. Here are some digraph words with the digraph WH. Remember, WH is only ever found at the beginning. So WH is found at the beginning of words like whip, white, which, like which one, and when. And again, WH makes what sound? That's right. SH. SH can be found at the beginning of words like ship or at the end of words like fish. It is a stretchy voice-off sound. We find it at the end of this word, wash, at the beginning of shop, and at the end of trash. Trash. TH, because TH has two sounds, voice on and voice off. We're going to start with TH voice on, which says z, like at the beginning of words like sight words the, then, they, and that. Now the TH voice off sound is th, like you hear and see at the beginning of thin, thick, and at the end of the word with. Do you remember what PH the prank phone callers make? That's right, just like the letter F. Here we see PH at the end of this word, graph, like in digraph, and at the beginning of the word phone. And last but not least, our ending, I forgot CK on this list. But, no, I didn't. These are stretchy consonant digraphs. Sorry, my mistake. I just forgot to put the NG up here. Okay, but we can't forget about NG. NG is found only at the end of words like ring, king, sang, song, and lung. And again, NG makes the stretchy sound Now some examples of words that have the stopper consonant digraphs, like CH, ch, like at the beginning of chin, chop, and at the end of the word which. And CK makes the sound k, and we only see this one at the end of words, such as kick, chick, back, sock, and truck.